Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to start a playback on the Flightradar24 application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Go to your home page and then click on the playback button down below, which is the fifth option in the right side corner of the screen. After that, you should select the date at this first section and the time. After that, you should click on the start playback button down below. This is this blue button. Here you are going to find it. So you can go back in time by sliding to the right side and sliding to the right side too. If you want to pause the playback, you should tap on this pause button. You can check out the map and play it again. If you are done with it, click on the X button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.